Have you ever wished being productive was a little more exciting? It's no secret that we do our best work while we're having fun, so what if you could reach maximum productivity by hacking your mind to enjoy everything that you do? My biggest frustration with most task managers and habit trackers is that after a while, the backlog builds up and it almost feels like a chore to go in and check off completed items. It's just not engaging. So last November, I set out to change that once and for all. I'd like to introduce the Gamification Project. It's a huge collaborative project that was built from our friends, family, and community to motivate us to live our best life and inspire a global movement. It was delivered with one mission in mind: make work fun so we get stuff done. So in this video, I'm going to give you a brief of the features we've built so far so you can turn your workspace into a highly functional system that motivates you to complete tasks on time, build visual processes and workflows that help you organize your life and build strong habits, and finally, embark on a growth journey supported by a network of friends, family, and community. When you're done setting up your gamification project, this is how it'll all work. Whenever you complete a goal, key result, or task in your success plan, you will earn the appropriate experience and gold rewards. For example, if I look at this task, which is indicated to be worth 200 gold, and then I mark it as complete after selecting the closing dates of today, and I change the status from in progress to complete, you can see the progress bar move from 22% to 45% and from 400 gold to 600 gold. Your rewards will also vary based on your punctuality, so be sure to complete your task on time. When you check off your daily quests as complete, you will also move up in experience like so, from 45 to 50%, from 50 to 55, and from 55 to 60%. Now, you will only earn gold when you complete 70% or 100% of all your daily quests, as that's what the default milestones are set to. Let's see that in action. So right now my progress bar for today is at 65%, and if I check one more box off, I will hit 70%, which is the first milestone. So I check this off and you can see that immediately my gold jumps from 600 to 650, and now I have a checkbox representing that I have completed one milestone for today. During your adventure, you will automatically earn custom badges representing key achievements that matter to you. You can track your progress and stay highly motivated during your day. And after all your hard work, you can spend your gold on relaxing, non-productive activities guilt-free. Using our templates, you can completely theme your workspace to be fully immersed in your favorite fantasy world, and you can draw inspiration from our community-submitted theme library, where our members have taken the care to explain the reasoning and story behind each of their themes. You can check out how to do this in my Build With Me video, where I showcase 3 different themes and how you can build one for yourself step by step. Gamification is most effective with a social network, and our template enables you to play with your friends and family. Hold friendly competitions with people that care about you on personal improvement, and be the first to know when they accomplish wins in their lives and help each other out when you are stuck on your growth journey. Our community holds a variety of adventures that are designed to spur you to be highly motivated to pursue personal development and level up your skills. Whenever you join us on one of our adventures, you will get detailed instructions on how you can add heroes to your party to provide you with limited time special perks. Embark on your next adventure by joining our weekly council meetings, monthly campaigns, or fight a world boss together with the community. Find more details at cox3.family/adventure.